Still paying expensive monthly fees just to edit or convert PDFs? What if I told you there's a one-time alternative that gives you professional tools for life for under 30 bucks? Today, we're looking at the Acethinker PDF Converter and Editor Lifetime Deal, available now on StackSocial. PDFs are everywhere. Whether it's contracts, school assignments, or scanned documents, you've probably had that moment where you needed to edit, merge, or convert a file, only to find your software asking for another monthly subscription. Acethinker solves this by giving you an all-in-one PDF editor and converter for a single payment. No recurring bills, no locked features. Here's what it can do. Convert both ways. Turn PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images. And also create PDFs from those same file types. Built-in OCR. Extract editable text from scanned or image-based PDFs in multiple languages. Full editing tools. Add, remove, or modify text and images, merge or split PDFs, rearrange pages, and even add watermarks or annotations. Form support. Create fillable forms from scratch or fill out existing ones with text boxes, checkboxes, and more. Security. Lock your PDFs with a password or unlock them if you already have one. Plus, you can compress PDFs, extract images, and use it as your default PDF reader. Now, let's quickly break it down. One-time payment. No subscriptions, includes editing, OCR, and conversion tools. Lifetime updates included, but the Mac version is still limited to conversion only. Full editing features are Windows only right now. So is it worth it? If you're tired of paying Adobe Acrobat's monthly fees, Acethinker PDF Converter and Editor is a budget-friendly alternative that gives you pro-level features for just $29, lifetime. If you want to grab this deal, I'll leave the link down below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lifetime deal reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.